Hey everybody, welcome back to Ogre Speed Shop. So I got to make a little mold or form. So stamp this to look like this on a raised area for our door repair over there. No, not that one, but the one over here. So we're making a new corner piece right here. So it needs that. Well, it doesn't need it, but I just want to have it so it's same as it was originally. So we're gonna make a little mold slash form thing in order to press that in there or hammer it in there. So I'm going to use this piece of metal right here, and I need another piece that's not, I just happen to have that out. But I'm basically going to put that like that, trace around, and I'm going to use a die grinder and a band file to make a little indentation down inside there to mold that, basically. So hopefully it works out. All right, so I got basically the area I'm going to be grinding down, marked out, and it's definitely bigger than what I'm going to be going, but I'm curving it in, so basically it'll work, I think. And I think I have it going the right direction. I don't, because it needs to come up, so it needs to be reverse of that. Okay, I got it figured out now. Okay, so now I got it. Because the reason why it has to be like that is because this is going to be going on top. It's going to be pressing through. So if I did it like that, I'd be going down, but I need to go up to bring it up. So that's why I had to reverse it. No big deal. So I'm just going to grind away at it and just basically try to get it down to about 1/8 of an inch and make a little form. Hopefully it works out. All right, so I got that part made. Is it gonna be perfect? No, but it's gonna give it some shape. It'll turn out all right. So now I'm gonna make another piece that's the same diameter or same, shape as that to go over so I can clamp the metal down to it. So when I'm actually hammering on it, it'll keep it in place basically. All right, so I got this little contraption made. You see it's got that side, and this side you can't see it because that's where the cavity is at. And I basically ground down each side here to match up, but I didn't quite factor for the thickness and the width of the metal there. So it's close, but I think it's a little bit off, but I think we'll be all right to start hammering down on this thing and see if we can form it or not. Well, it's about as good as I can get it. Now, does it actually work? And how ugly is it? But it's pretty ugly. But I can probably smoothen it out a little bit. But hey, what do you expect from mediocre tools and a mediocre fabricator? Cool. The DA or the RA sand, the random orbital. Clean it up a little bit. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but at least it's kind of like that. Let's compare it, shall we? Ain't that much difference, is it? Maybe I'll just throw some rust on there and you'll never know. Heck, I think it looks even better like that. Not too shabby. We just got to get it in the right position whenever we figure that out. Kind of like that, I think. Ain't focusing, am I? Is it focusing now? That's a little better. So he's got to figure out the rest of the pieces. I think it's supposed to have a little curve to it too, so we'll have to work that. Maybe, heck, if I just cut this piece off here, I guess make a filler piece for that. chunk that's missing. I think that'd probably be a lot easier. I can form this and bend it a little bit. All right, so does this leave something to be desired? Yeah, a little bit, but did it work? Worked good enough for me. What's the matter a little bit? So I think that'd be good enough to fix that door, and yeah. So, you can make your molds if you need to. It just takes a little bit of time and effort. So I just figured I'd share how I did it. So make sure you tune in for the video that this is going to be blowing on that door. I'm fixing the door skin on that to put it back on the truck. So just more metal work, but I think it turned out all right. Good enough. A quick little video on how to make a mold or a form or whatever you want to do. I know it's very rudimentary, but did it get the job done? Yeah, it'll work for what I need it for. And I doubt anybody will even notice or know that it's been done. So that's what we're going for. So if you like this video, leave a like down there, leave me a comment. Let me know what I can do better. Subscribe while you're at it. Why not? It's free. Turn your notifications so you can see the video of that going onto the door that we're working on. So until next time, well, first, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and especially if you're here till the end. So until next time, I will see you all later.